Hey, Paradise River House people. Yeah, it's raining, so I've been working on the lawn. You can see it out there. And sometimes this happens. So yesterday was kind of a flop too, because the battery was dead on the mower after sitting all winter. So I was kind of stranded here, and again, I don't have all the stuff at the property to really get it going. So I weed-eated all of this. You can see down here, it's just all weeds. So I took care of that yesterday instead, and then did a little more spraying and stuff. And then this morning I went out and filled the holes like I planned out in the yard with the wheelbarrow and just a shovel. And then I'm mowing it really short, and you can see my little lawnmower. Let's see, can you see him out there? Yeah, sitting way out there in the middle of the yard. The battery still died. So I mowed about half the yard, and then it quit on me, and now it's raining and it's just sitting out there. And I'm not sure what to do, because I really don't want to go out in the rain, even though it's pretty. And this is what I wanted to do. I wanted to get all this done right before the rain and get that seed down and have it put in there, but shoot, anyway. So until I have somebody here to help me push that back up here to get it hooked up, I'm kind of stuck, because it is just dead. It's just sitting out there. It doesn't even click. So maybe the battery's not only drained, but it's actually dead. I'm not sure. Anyway, so yeah, there we go. So I am gonna hide out and wait for someone to come here, because I also didn't bring my cell phone. So I'm just hanging out at the house. I'll find something else to tinker around with. But and I can't get the dang pump to work. So the sprinkler pump, it shows that it's working, you know, the little lights come on, but the actual pump itself isn't coming on. It's not clicking on. So I've tried to look around with the plugs and whatnot to see if there's a switch I gotta turn on that sucker, but normally you just turn on the actual little sprinkler box and the pump just pops on. I've primed it. I've let the air out of it. So that's all good. So it's primed and kind of de-bubbled or whatever. You let the air out. It just is a matter of letting it need some juice to turn on. We did drain it over the winter, so I shouldn't have any issues as far as it just being dead, like frozen or anything like that. But anyway, it is pretty out here. Maybe I'll try to push that thing myself back up here and get it plugged in and see what happens. But all right, funny day, no big deal. Still working on the recovery. I got the harrow, the drag harrow's coming in a truck a little bit later. It's crazy. It's a little more aggressive than I thought, like 3-inch prongs that we're gonna run out there. So I know people talk about aerating and whatnot prior to doing some renovation like this. So I guess I will be doing that. Rather than aerating or slicing,